Hi there and welcome to Durban's Point Parkrun. Set in the balmy subtropical climate of Durban on the Golden Mile beachfront. We rate Point as South Africa's most scenic and marvellous seaside parkrun. This parkrun passes alongside of McCurrach, the Southern Hemisphere's largest aquarium and marine theme park.
This is a skilled photo capture. Not that stealthy.
Hello. We've done 100 runs and one volunteer.
Good morning, everybody. Oh, thank you. Jesus, I thought I wasn't here for a minute. Welcome to Durban Point. If you like volunteering, please come and see me because I do the volunteering for this park run. Tracy next door does a cup of coffee, 10 Rand. If you show her your ball code, she'll give you a cup of coffee for 10 Rand. Do we have any milestones that I'm not aware of? Any 50? Michael is doing his 400 park run today.
Ladies, you do know that this is not a chat-a-thon. It's a marathon. You've got to get this right.
You keep telling us.
So now, wiggle your bums and do a bit of running.
We can't, it's too.
Kitty, how many volunteerings have you done?
240 something.
No ways. No ways. Jeez. So you're going to take that purple shirt and put a 0 on it, I hope.
No.
You've got the slowest, nicest, easiest task today.
And I'm so impatient. But I'm doing the 10k spa tomorrow, so that's why I want to save my legs for that.
Well done.
Yeah.
Now you and me are like, I couldn't do the tail walk. I see you always run barefoot, eh?
Yeah.
You enjoy that?
Yes.
How many park runs are you on now?
80 something. I think.
80. Well done. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Cheers, eh?
Yeah.
I must say you're looking quite naked. Do you think you're going to make it?
Not really, no. I'm going to bowl at 4Ks.
Okay, I'll try my best to make you proud.
Oh, there we go. Cheers, eh?
See you.
The beautiful Palmline Promenade is always clean and well policed. There's adequate parking and amenities for the whole family to make a park run into a whole day outing.
I know, you've got no idea how hard they have to run to get you.
With the McCurrach Village Walk Mall only opening at 9 o'clock in the mornings, this affords the unique opportunity for this parkrun course to be through the mall, and this makes for window shopping with a difference.
Running around with the camera. Show us which way. There, that, thank you.
There's really no parkrun quite like this. I've done some in Cape Town on the beachfront, at Bloberg and so on, but to have this promenade and the settings and the sights and around McCurrach is just in its own class. So, there we are. How old are you, kid?
5.
5 and you're park running?
Yeah.
Jeez, that's fantastic.
Hello.
Good morning. Why were you so full of nonsense?
Point Parkrun is seemingly never short on volunteers, and this is attributed to the warm and friendly atmosphere from the top and throughout.
I've come to take a picture of the hard work end of parkrun.
Thank you very much.
That us runners don't get to see or do.
There we go. And if we didn't do this, you wouldn't be running next week.
But this is the part where you guys make our Saturdays.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
The Point Parkrun finish is very conveniently located at the Marine Surf Life-Saving Club, where a coffee special is offered to the runners, and the Marine has a breakfast menu which brings us back time after time. Thank you for spending this moment with us at Point Parkrun, and we look forward to hosting you at Point sometime soon. Look us up on Facebook for any current announcements.